What is up, guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Custom Xdiavel series. You know the drill. We're giving this bike away along with a bike of your choice. We've only got a couple of episodes left, so if you want to be entered to win one of these awesome prizes, check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. Today, we're heading down to Oxnard. Trevor's actually on his way right now in his badass 700 horsepower Mercedes, and we're going to drive down and work on the tank. So this tank is going to be replaced. We're working on a tank we've already stripped. It's going to be brushed steel with some really cool old school Ducati stenciling along with Campisi Customs logo. We're going to get into all that, but it's going to be a good one. I've been waiting for this one for a very, very long time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright, so we're pulling up to the paint shop here. His name is Bill Kee. He's an old friend of Trevor's, and we're in Trevor's badass Mercedes. This thing's like 700 horsepower plus, and he was just doing some pulls, and it's out of control actually. So yeah, we're gonna head in here. We're gonna talk about some different things with the tank, and we'll show you as much as we can. So here we go. All right, so here it is, guys. We're at Bill's shop. For anyone interested in having Bill do work, because when you see this tank, you're gonna lose your mind. I will put all of his contact info in the description below. He doesn't have social media or anything like that. It's all basically Trevor and him. Trevor sends all the business to him, and he does a lot of, oh man, I'm so excited. Wait till you see this tank. Check this out. So here's the tank, guys. Looks a little bit different from before, huh? Whenever Trevor was stripping it with that paint thinner, and he mocked up a little decal here with the old school Ducati lettering on there, but look at that finish. He said he used an old school grinder that you can't even buy anymore. This is all hand finished, and he was asking me if I wanted him to go over and make it like perfect, but I said no, absolutely not. I love the little imperfections in the areas and stuff like that because it shows that it's hand done by somebody who's old school, and I just, oh my god, guys, look at how freaking amazing that looks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a decal like this on each side. Originally I had thought black, but I actually really like this blending in with the silver a lot more, and plus this is a little bit more matte, which will match the carbon of the bike a little bit better. But guys, look at that. That's your tank right there. Isn't that freaking incredible? I'm so happy. And then I've got my Campisi Customs decal, and it's not going to say the Xdiavel R, the one of one or anything. It's actually just going to be Campisi Customs, and he's going to put that on about right there, and then he's going to clear coat everything over this. So we'll have the vinyl decal here, and we'll have the Ducati decals on each side, and then we'll have the carbon gas cap cover on here. And man, it is absolutely stunning. He was telling me earlier they actually had to flip the tank over and cut it open because there were some imperfections in here. So he actually had to bang those out and then smooth it all back over again. And then he actually painted the entire bottom of the tank black. Look at that. You can see there where he cut it open and welded it back together. And I'm blown away, guys. I mean, you saw this tank in the previous video. I'll put up a picture on here of how it looked before, but man, I am absolutely blown away. So, oh God, it looks so good. So here's the guy, here's the legend, Bill himself, and he's gonna explain what he's doing here with the decals.
So this is a stencil. I weeded the centers of the stencil out and I put them on here just so we can get an idea.
Yeah.
So then I lay this out. I peel the backing off of this, and I apply the stencil. Okay. Then I put some masking paper, and then I put some of this paint here into my airbrush.
Mixed up some paint for us, a little bit darker gray than what's there. Is that what?
Right.
Okay.
And that way, because the silver is going to be coming through it.
Yeah.
And so then I airbrush that stuff on there, and then I peel the masking off, and then it leaves the paintwork on there.
Oh my god.
Because if you feel this has a pretty thick edge.
Yep.
And that's how we get away from having a raised surface, because that paint film is so thin.
Yeah.
It just barely, and then when we put the clear on it and polish it, it's like glass.
Oh my god, dude. I'm so happy. I'm so impressed. Thank you so much, Bill, for your work, man. This is beyond what I thought it would be. It really is. So if anybody wants Bill to do some work for you, check out the description below, and you can give him a ring on his cell phone number and have him do some awesome work. He's in Southern California. Where is this, Oxnard?
This is Oxnard.
Okay, he's in a super secret location, so we can't give away the details of where he is, but I mean, I'm just blown away, guys. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, Bill. This is incredible.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So I told him I just wanted to keep the lines kind of like straight through it. So we're just cleaning up this area right here. God, it's so freaking awesome. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that, guys. So I just wanted the lines to flow through a little bit better, since that's kind of like the whole feeling of the tank. And this is the part you'll be looking at the whole time when you're riding and stuff. So that's what he did. He just went through there and just, oh man, it looks absolutely stunning. I just can't get over it. I did not think it was gonna look this good. Look at that. So we're just going through and doing the same thing we did before, just kind of making the whole thing really brushed and smooth together. Look at this, 2 old school legends right here, guys. Trevor and Bill. This is so freaking awesome. I'm so excited right now. God, that is just so gorgeous. Yeah, that's beautiful. I would do the same thing on the other side. All right, so that's the next stencil he's gonna put on the other side here. And then I left him with my Campisi Customs logo. He's gonna put that on. This is roughly the color of the stencil, right? Something like that. You'll use that for each side. There you go, guys. So it's gonna be kind of ghosted on there, but you'll see it, but it won't be like too prevalent. But I think that's gonna do it for Bill here. Yeah, so hey,
I think black would be just a little too much.
Too much. I agree. So he's gonna work on that this week, and hopefully we can get the tank next week. And so when I'm back up to pick it up, he's gonna do both the stencils, the vinyl decal, and then you got to clear coat the whole thing. Right. So and then we'll be done. But look at that, guys. Oh my God, that's gonna make the bike just absolutely one of a kind. And again, if any of you guys want Bill to do some work for you, I will put his information in the description below. Definitely give him a ring. We gotta support the old school legends here. So make sure you check it out. Thank you again, Bill, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you soon. All right, so I think that's gonna do it for this episode. Unfortunately, we weren't really able to hang out there while he worked. He's got some other stuff to do. He's gonna try and get that done within a week for us. So then next week we'll come down and pick it up. But oh my God, I cannot believe, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw Trevor stripping the paint and I saw the thing like neon orange color, I was a little bit worried for a couple weeks. And Trevor didn't lead me astray. He was actually saying, he said, people like Bill, and he's got other people who can literally bang a tank out of steel for you. Yeah. Like he'll draw pictures and stuff, and Trevor's got all kinds of contacts, and he said it's a dying breed, and it really is, and it's sad. There's Trevor's 700 horsepower car for you. Oh my God. But yeah, man, it's just so awesome. I'm so glad that you know, I met Trevor when we came out here, and everything's worked out really well. And Trevor's actually working on his own shop. He's going to be opening, well, not opening, but he's going to have his own shop. He's building it right from the ground up. Yeah, so he's actually working on building his own shop. It's going to be separate from the Ducati shop, where he can work on custom projects and things like that. And I think that's where we'll be doing the next build out of, if he gets it done in time. Well, I'm not convinced, but he says he will. But Trevor has, what, like 100 motorcycles or more? Something like that. And he's gonna have them all lined up in his shop, and oh, it'd be such a cool place to film, and maybe we could even ride some of your old bikes and stuff. It'd be so bad. People would freak out. He said everyone has a story. So there's some really cool stuff coming to the channel, guys, and it wouldn't be possible without Trevor, aka the Butcher. We need to get some shirts made. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. So I hope you're excited. Hopefully the next episode will be us putting on the tank, but if that takes too long, we have a couple other little things we can install, and I'm super excited. So again, if you guys enjoy what we're doing here, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. If you want to be entered to win one of these custom bikes, check out the Patreon page, and we'll see you guys in the next one if we're still alive. If Trevor gets us home safely. All right, see you guys.